Okay, folks, we're on our adventure today. It's a new adventure. We're going up the Green Mountains of Vermont. We're going up to Green Peak. There's supposed to be some monks up here, so we're going to go through the monks that live up in the mountains here, so we should be going right by them. Yep, we got Sarah over here having her chips. Huh, Sarah? Yep, and your chips. And we got all Jeeps. And me, the one black taco. One Toyota. Yep, hard to see. You'll be able to see in the mirror there, but the Jeep's coming up behind us. Not too bad of a trail ride so far. Probably like this nice because it goes up to the monks. So just wanted to show you the trail ride. Yeah, Sarah having a good time, huh? Yeah, having your chips, enjoying the four-wheeling with Dad and everybody in the group. Yeah. Yeah, it's raining day today, so Mother's Day. Waiting for the other Jeeps to catch up, but they seem to be taking their time way back there. Just got two behind me there. Oh, there they are. 3 and 4 coming. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have probably about 8 to 10 Jeeps. 8 Jeeps and 1 Tacoma today. So, yeah, it's there, huh? Yeah, it's there, huh? There, you can see them coming down the end there. All right, we're up to 2 minutes here, so. Takes me an hour just for a 2-minute video, so it's high 1080 high definition. So we're gonna shut it down here in a minute and get up to 3 minutes. Show everybody. Yep, going up the hill. Yeah, you like going fast, huh? You know, Sarah loves going fast, huh? Out in the woods. Yeah, going up the mountain here. Window's starting to fog up. All right, we're going to end it here, folks. Yep, almost up. Going to be up the top of the mountain soon. You can see out there. It's getting almost level with the mountain. There's everybody coming up. All right, we're gonna end it here. Ready, Sig? Thanks for watching, everybody. Huh? All right.